Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. This video presentation is on fundamental rights as our part of video presentations on Constitution of India. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India which are guaranteed to all citizens. They are applied without discrimination on the basis of race, religion, gender, etc. Significantly, fundamental rights are enforceable by the courts subject to certain conditions. So, the Constitution offers all citizens individually and collectively some basic freedoms which are known as fundamental rights. Articles 12 to 35 in the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental rights. Navdeep Chaudhary says that these rights are fundamental or essential for existence and all-round development of individuals. That's why they are called fundamental rights. Let's see what are the 6 fundamental rights mentioned in the Constitution of India, which is found in Part 3 of our Constitution. Some basic freedoms to the citizens are guaranteed in the Constitution in the form of 6 broad categories of fundamental rights. Now, the right to equality means equality before law, equal protection of laws, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, gender, or place of birth. Then, equal access to shops, hotels, wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, etc. Equality of opportunity in public employment, abolition of untouchability, and abolition of titles. Articles 14 to 18 deals with the fundamental right to equality. Now, the second fundamental right is the right to freedom, which means protection of right to freedom of speech and expression, assembly peacefully, form association unions, move freely throughout the territory of India, reside and settle in any part of India, practice any profession, or to carry on any occupation, trade, or business. Protection and respect of conviction for offences, right to life and personal liberty, right to education, and protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. And Article 19 to 22 deals with this fundamental right. Now, the third fundamental right is right against exploitation, which means prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor, prohibition of employment of children in hazardous jobs, and Article 23 and 24 deals with the right against exploitation. Now, fundamental right number 4 is the right to freedom of religion, which means freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion, freedom to manage religious affairs, freedom to pay taxes for promotion of any particular religion, and freedom to attend religious instruction or worship in certain educational institutions. Articles 25 to 28 deals with the right to freedom of religion. The fifth fundamental right is the cultural and educational rights, which means protection of language, culture of minorities, and right of minorities to establish educational institutions. Sixth fundamental right is the right to constitutional remedies, which means right to move the courts to issue directions, orders, writs for enforcement of rights. So thank you very much for watching. Next video will be on fundamental duties. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe.